morning, guys. It's already 6:30 pero madilim pa sa labas. Second day na ng snow, na nag-i-snow ngayon. Nagkataon naman na may pasok si Mark. So, feeling worried ako kasi baka ma-stranded siya sa daan. Baka hindi siya makauwi mamaya. Hopefully, hindi naman wala namang magsaradong daan dito sa amin para makauwi pa rin siya. So, what I did was I make like a kit for him with blanket, extra clothes, toiletries, including meds like pain reliever, anti-diarrheal, and contact solution and case because he's wearing contacts. So, and sweater, sweatshirt. Hopefully, hindi niya magamit at makauwi siya ngayon. But all we can do is wait. But I will show you what it looks like. It's still snowing outside. And I don't know that it will stop anytime soon. There's the snow. Palit ako ng tripod. Ito na ngayon yung ginagamit ko. Ito mas maganda. Mas matibay. Mukhang mas matibay. Sturdy. Tripod to ni Pabebe. Ayan. Inilagay ko lang yung tawag dito. Basta ito. If only I know na ito lang yung kailangan ko to use this tripod, sana ito na lang binili ko, di ba? But I didn't know, so I had to buy my own tripod, which I don't like. This one is way better. But anyway, now I have an extra tripod. But this is the best. Second day of snow and wala pa ring tigil. Ayan. I don't know if you can see, but it is still snowing. Walang tigil. You go! Go there! Come on! Come on! Come on! She's wearing a shirt. She's so cute. She loves the snow. So, ganito nakalalim yung snow. It's probably 5 inches. Ay! I don't know if you can see, it's still snowing. Walang tigil. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go inside. Lily, Lily. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Ay. Lily. I took some pictures. This one, she said that you're looking at 16 inches of snow. So if that happened, we won't be able to go there because of all the ice. So we just have to wait and see. Nag-iisip ako ng dinner namin tonight and nag-scroll lang ako sa Facebook. Ayun, meron na akong idea. So, kuha tayo ng ground beef sa labas. Nagsusuot lang ako ng boots. Kuha tayo ng ground beef sa freezer para maito natin. You go outside. So, gusto na naman niyang lumabas. Pag nakita niyang gumagayak ka, papunta sa labas, syempre, lalabas din siya. So, let's go. Let's go outside. Yan, walang tigil pa rin. Ay, grabe yung snow. Ay, sana makauwi naman ng maaga yung aking asawa. Na-stranded na naman siya. Although, hindi pa naman siya na-stranded. Yung pala, I should rephrase it. Baka ma-stranded siya. So, kuha tayo ng beef. Sampak lang. Ayan na naman ang itsura niya. Oh, she's covered in snow. Gustong gusto niya yung snow. Pag nag-i-snow, she likes eating that. No, don't even. Go. 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 Go lay down. You go lay down. Oh, it's getting worse. Look at that. You can't see the road. Hindi na ngalekta yung basura kahapon, and I don't blame them. Parang it looks like they're not gonna do it again today. So, iwan na lang muna yung basurahan sa labas. But I don't know if you can see, but it's getting worse. It's not good. Oh, come on, mahal. Just go home. Leave work and just come home. Tinawagan ko yung asawa ko. Sabi ko, hindi tumitigil yung snow. Kaya kung makakauwi siya ng maaga, i-try niya. And sabi niya yun, paalis na daw siya sa opisina para maka-uwi siya agad. At ayoko nga na baka ma-tenga siya kung saan. Hindi ko gusto yun. Kaya sana maayos pa yung daan pag umuwi siya. At least nandito na siya sa bahay kung hindi pa man titigil tong snow namin. So I am just waiting for my husband now at mag-aagayak na rin ako ng dinner, although it's only 2:20. Maaga kasi kami kumakain. Wala pang 6, nagdi-dinner na kami. Andito ako sa garahe to pick up some dog food at Grabe ang ginaw, yung hangin. Tapos hindi pa rin tumitigil yung snow. And I check our temp. It is 16 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's below 9 degrees Celsius. So, well, I'm glad my husband is home now. So that is good. But I have to check the chickens. I put some food for them this morning, but I have to check if they still have water. And I didn't let them out because I don't think they'll go out anyway. But it's cold, so I will show it to you. It's not even 5 o'clock and it's the 4th day na nag-i-snow na dito. Nagising ako kasi bumangon yung asawa ko to check kung makakapasok siya sa work. And then he got back. Sabi niya, don't bother to get up. I'm not going to work today. Which is good sana. Kaya lang hindi naman ako makatulog. We'll see what it looks like outside once we get the light. Feel like I'm getting sick too because it's so cold. I check our temp. It's 3 degrees Fahrenheit, and I look at it in Celsius, it's like -16. I have a humidifier here, but it is not enough to give us some humid because it's really cold and dry. That's why I feel like I'm getting sick. My throat is really dry and my nose. Hopefully I won't get it. I already had my flu shots anyway.
It's really cold. We can feed the rabbits if we have rabbit food.
I know we do. Look, we got a lot of drift. Like this. Let's see. That's how. Over there. As if it's not cold at all. We'll put some food for the rabbit. Well, you can't open it. We have a lot of drift.
Why don't you throw your...
Look how even in there, there's a plow on the road, so it's gonna be hard if ever my husband tried to go to work today. It's cold. Well, before I can go to the house, I have to walk not straight, but I have to go here where all the trucks, because the drift is too high over there in the patio. It's probably up to my leg, knee or something, so I have to walk here on the side before I can go there. And I don't know, Look at the car. Show the car how thick the ice is. Like here. So I know that I want to step here because I will sink. There. Look at this thick ice. Look how thick. From here up to here. That's ice. Even in the truck. So yeah, look. Woo! Hopefully the bunnies find the food that we put for them. They look so hungry. Look at this. How thick that thing is. Glasses, I can't see things. It's foggy. That is the problem I have to face every time. It's cold outside and then I'll go inside. It is warm. Look. Someone found the food that we put outside. I feel so bad for him. Oh. It's cold. Come on, eat your food. There's one in here too. Ayun. There's one more. Look at that. Look how long. Ay! Naputol. But look. I don't know if the chickens will go out. Ooh, I got 3 eggs. Well, masikat na yung araw, obviously. Ayan, andito ako sa labas. Hindi na din masyadong malamig. Hindi sila nakapasok today kasi walang sarado. Ano yung daan kanina. Mahirap magmaneho. Puro drift. And I think hindi naman na mag-i-snow. So this is it for our vlog for today. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you on our next vlog. Bye.